Hey, how's everyone doing today? I'm over here at the new listing at 6444 Royal Woods, a cute single family home with a garage. So I'm going to do a little tour and show you all about it.
Okay, so here we go, y'all. We come in and you have the plank tile flooring throughout. You have a nice big open spacious floor plan here. You cup on around here to the kitchen where it's been newly renovated. We got the shaker cabinet, Samsung bespoke appliance series with that featured craft ice, that fancy ice. And then you look out the sliders there and you have a little grill where you can do your grilling, and it's just really convenient, which I like that. Okay, so then we're going to take a little tour through here, and right over here to the right you have your guest suite side. You have this new bathroom with all new. It's got your new vanity, new fixtures and lighting, and seamless shower door. Here is the guest room, which my favorite part of this is the slider that you have a little patio. It's your private little oasis. Put you some little plants around there, just super cute. Okay, so back inside, we're going to cruise on over here through the living room. Out back there, you have a nice private backyard. No one's building behind you, so that's always nice. Here is your master suite. More sliders, of course, and they go right out the back there. Here we are in your spacious big closet. I do love the hardware in there. Dual vanities here. And another new remodeled shower with all the little fun features there. So yep, now what we'll do is take a look and come on around and check it out upstairs. So upstairs we go, and this is an oversized large loft up here. You can use this for whatever you like, a office, kids room, craft room, what have you. Here is a cool little wall safe. Put you a nice picture on there. No one would even know. There was a storage closet, an attic storage closet, which makes great for storage for your seasonal items. This is actually a third room we're using as a bedroom, and it also has a storage closet here too as well. I love all the natural light that comes in the home. So here you have it, y'all. If you know anyone looking in the Fort Myers area for a 2-bedroom den and large loft, let them know that this one's available. So please share, like, and comment. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.